The Search for True Happiness, A Path Toward Islam. In a world overflowing with information, entertainment, and options, why does happiness still feel so out of reach? You can have a degree, a job, freedom, and followers, and still feel empty. That's because what we're often chasing isn't happiness. It's distraction. And Islam speaks directly to this confusedness in this world. 1. The heart wasn't made for this world alone. Islam teaches that we are more than bodies and brains. We are souls. And just like the body needs food, the soul needs meaning. No amount of success or pleasure can fill that inner hunger. The Quran says, "Surely, in the remembrance of God do hearts find rest." Quran 13:28. Not temporary highs, not external validation, but an anchored peace, a sense of being seen, guided, and loved by the Creator. 2. Submission brings freedom. The word Islam means submission, not to people, not to systems, but to the one who designed you. And ironically, that submission is what brings freedom from ego, comparison, addiction, and doubt. Islam gives you a structure for inner calm, purpose in prayer, discipline in fasting, clarity in morals, community in worship, peace in knowing where you came from and where you're going. It's not escapism. It's living this life with spiritual alignment. Final thought. Maybe you're not lost, just being guided. So if you've been searching for something deeper, if the world feels loud and your soul feels quiet, maybe that restlessness is not a curse. Maybe it's a signpost. And maybe, just maybe, the path to true happiness doesn't lie in more, but in returning to the one who made you. That's what Islam is. Not a culture, not a club, but a way back home. The giver of happiness is Allah Almighty, and Islam is to submit your matter to Allah, to go to Him believing in Him. And this is the first path to happiness. Yes, the first path to happiness is to believe in the one Allah. Try it. Start immediately and see what will happen to you and tell me about it. You will not lose, but you will gain. And the first thing you will gain is yourself.